Hi guys, I am back with a new project and this one is... I've been wanting to make this one for such a long time. Do you see what it is? It's the summer sorrel. Do you have it? First I saw the sorrel, the first one that they made, which was, I think it's a DK or something. It's a heavier yarn anyway. But then this one came up, this summer sorrel, which is knit. Oh, that's dark. Hello, there we are. Which is knit in fingering weight yarn. Now I dyed up my Unapologetic on 4 skeins of fingering weight yarn in last season of How to Dye Yarn. And I've been dying to make this particular project in this yarn. So finally I got around to it. Now this is not a difficult pattern at all. It is really beautiful. You see the texture here. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I did knit mine longer than the pattern said, though, because, you know, I have a big belly. I do tend to want to hide that. So what I did is when I got to my 3rd skein, which was somewhere around here, I think you can see the color difference because I did not alternate skeins. I just went for it because I couldn't be bothered this time. So when I got to the 3rd skein, I just decided I'm just gonna go for it. So mine is quite long. It's even folded now, so I can pull it even further down. Because what I decided to do was I'm just going to continue knitting until I have knit all of the 3rd skein as well, and then I'm going to try it on. And once I had done that, I realized that it's actually quite long. But I figured, you know what, I don't mind that at all. So I did crack into my 4th skein just to finish off the edge. There's like an inch of 2x2 ribbing. So just use a wee bit of the 4th skein, but you can absolutely make this one with just 3 skeins of fingering weight yarn. I don't remember what the pattern says. I just only brought the pictures, but that's what I used, and I'm quite a large person. So I finally have my Sorrel that I've been wishing for I don't know, I think it's been on my wish list for a few years now, honestly. Super excited about this one. Super happy about how it came out. Might make a few more, but I do have a lot of other tops as well. You know, I love this. This is just beyond what I had expected and hoped for. So, yay! Very excited about this one. What do you think? Have you knit the summer sorrel? Are you going to? You should. You really should, because I feel fancy, quite fancy in this one. So yeah, that's it. That's my me-made project for this week in the hand-dyed yard. I'm going to link it both in the cards and in the description box below. Sorry. So in the cards and in the description box below, I will link to the video where you can learn how to dye this yarn yourself. And again, there is some color difference, but and even though these skeins, all 4 skeins, were actually dyed in the same pan. So that's what happens with hand-dyed yarn. Even if they're dyed in the same pan, they can still differ. So I'm so ready. Oh, I feel pretty. I feel pretty. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.